Oh my gosh, I just finished getting ready and I am in a rush because I have my lipstick on. I told my mom that I was gonna pick her up at 11. We are going shopping. I thought I'd get the vlog started. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and let's get on the road. I am picking up my mom. We are going to Party City because I want to pick up a balloon because it is my 7-year anniversary on YouTube and I love doing a little balloon picture on my front porch at my parents' house and it's gonna be so cute. But I just thought I'd bring you guys along with us today. You guys, we got the balloon. It's pink and it's a big number 7. It's so cute. Alright you guys, I just got back from going to Party City with my mom. We got the big balloon and I brought it back to the apartment with me. We got the cutest photos. I can't wait to post them on Instagram later. But you guys, you have to see how messy my room is because I left in such a rush. Doesn't look the worst it could look, but I didn't put any of my makeup away. I have fake eyelashes on my desk from Friday night. I didn't put any of this stuff away and my pajama drawer is still open. I just threw everything down. So we definitely need to do a little bit of shining up and cleaning. I just put my curling iron away and my pajamas. This is all cleaned up and my desk is nice and clean. All my makeup stuff's put away. And I know you guys saw my outfit earlier, but I just wanted to share with you guys where everything is from. So my sandals are Palm Beach sandals. They're very similar to Jack Rogers. They're just a little bit different and I love them. My top is from Shein. It was a 2-piece set. It's so cute. And then I have on my little favorite J. Crew chino shorts. And I just love all of the pink. It's so fun. And it's finally getting warm enough to wear a fun tank top. So of course I had to pick this really colorful one out. And for my jewelry of the day, I have my Daniel Wellington watch on. This little bangle that says "You got this." And I love how motivating it is. Little bracelet that I made. It's called Extra Happy. It keeps selling out. And then I have on this gorgeous chain bracelet that John got me for Christmas a few years ago. My little heart bracelet my mom and dad got me for Christmas this year, and then some pearls that they got me as well that I wore when I got married. That is all of my jewelry. I have my everyday earrings in. Now I need to get a Instagram collab post done, and I gotta tell you guys something so exciting. So if you guys have been following along for the last year and a half, you guys might remember that I had an Instagram and it had almost 20,000 followers on it, and I've had it since I've started KellyPrepster, and it was just KellyPrepster. That was the ad. And about a year ago, almost a year to the day, it got taken away, disabled. I think someone hacked my account and like it got reported fraudulent, and I could never get in contact with Instagram. Like there was literally no way to contact Instagram or Facebook to get help. They have no customer service, and it was so hard because that's like what I do. I'm a content creator, so not having my Instagram account that had all my contacts with companies that I work with, I get paid via Instagram, like it was such a struggle, and it really affected me mentally because I was like, what do I do now? Because that's all I've ever known, and that's how I started. I had Instagram before YouTube, and I know so many of you guys, my besties, from Instagram. So restarting was seriously so humbling because it's a lot of work, and it made me go like, gosh, I really did put a lot of time and effort into what I do. But it was also really frustrating because I already did it. And so anyways, long story short, I got my Instagram back and I'm so stinking excited about it because I didn't have any of these pictures saved. Like I had a few of them, but not all of them. And it just makes me so excited because I've had so many memories on my Instagram with you guys. There's just so many fun outfits, and it's how I started, and it's just so special to me. So getting it back is seriously so exciting. And I just saw someone post about it on their Instagram story earlier this week, and I was like, I'm just gonna try one more time. I'm not gonna get my hopes up. And I found a way to contact someone. I will do a whole story time if anyone's going through a similar situation. And in less than 24 hours I got my account back, and I like stayed up crying all night. I was like, oh my god, I can't. It didn't feel real. And I know that's probably such a first world problem, but it really had affected my life because, again, it's what I do. It's how I get paid. So funny because, like I mentioned, it's my 7-year anniversary. The last post was a concert video from the day after my 6-year anniversary. So it's literally been like a year to the day, like minus a few days. And it's just so crazy to me, like, what the heck happened in the last year? I want to make a post on this account saying like I got my Instagram back, but then I also have to edit and post my 7-year balloon post, and then I also have a few sponsorships. One of them is with Fabletics. That's a TikTok collaboration that I need to film, and I also have a new one that I'm going to unbox and share with you guys. It is a protein company. Kevin Hart's a part of it, and I couldn't be more excited. So we're gonna go take some Instagram pictures, we're gonna make some TikToks, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. This is the package that I'm talking about. It is Vital Hustle, and it says the one is here. And you guys, it's Kevin Hart's new protein collaboration. I think he's like part of the business, and it says the one and only super drink you need. And this is what they sent me, and I did say I would make some content with it, so they sent me a thunder bottle, and it has their logo on the side. This is so perfect because it's like miniature. And then they sent me this flavor, and it's superfoods, vegan protein, probiotics, and I don't even know what that word is, but it's a super drink. And then they also sent me the vanilla bean flavor, so I wanted to share this with you guys, and I am so excited to try it. So I got to make some content around this, and I also have to do my Fabletics sponsorship, which is so cool because I kind of connect in a way. So John usually holds my phone and will set it up and make the background look pretty, and this is like the start of my Fabletics TikTok that I film. You guys definitely need to go check out my TikTok. It's always linked down below. It's just at Kelly_Prepster to see how that collaboration turned out. It's so cute. But now we're gonna head out and get gas for the car, get groceries, get a Diet Coke, and pop by the bakery because I have a really cute Instagram photo idea for my 7-year anniversary.
2 large Diet Cokes with no ice.
Got our Diet Cokes, and we got a feeling bubbly, and it's nice on ice.
If you get feeling bubbly or keep it bubbly, it means it's good luck and you're gonna have a good day.
It's true. Cheers. So we just popped into Kroger and got a super cute little cupcake for an Instagram post, and we got gas. So now our last step is to go to the bank and pick up our groceries. Yep. We are back from picking up our groceries, and we're gonna unpack them all, but we do Kroger Click It, and it's so nice because they just pack everything up. We use our wagon. I have you on a tripod. We are back from running errands, and I changed into this super cute little scallop tank top because I'm gonna film a clothing haul. It's about to start thunderstorming, and I feel like my hair is changing from the humidity outside, but I have so many fun new pieces to share with you guys. My mom and I have gone shopping recently, so I have like so many fun new pieces to share. That'll be up later this week, so definitely hit the subscribe button soon because I have so many cute pieces like this super adorable little Lay Pulitzer tank top and some hand-me-downs, which you guys know I'm a sucker for some fun hand-me-downs. That is what I'm up to now. So I just changed back into my tank top and finished filming, and I'm so excited because that's going to go up later this week. I'm trying my best to be uploading more videos, but I've really been putting a lot of focus and energy on my second channel, KellyPrepster Studio. But with July starting, I'm going to be redoing my calendar and hopefully aim for 2 to 3 videos on this channel every single week, which fingers crossed I can do it. I know I can. I just got to put the energy into it, and I'm so excited. But I wanted to sit down because I wanted to talk about my 7-year balloon with you guys and just say how thankful I am to have you guys watching my videos, being subscribed. Like, it's so crazy that 23,000 people have subscribed to my channel, and it means the world to me, so thank you so much. 7 years ago today, June 26th, I uploaded my first ever YouTube video, which honestly I can say since then my life has changed, whether it's just how I look at things with like, oh, I could film that, or like having a connection with you guys and just sharing my thoughts and opinions online, but also my passion for fashion. I feel like it's been so much fun to see how my style lifestyle has evolved, but also just being able to document my life and share it with you guys. So thank you so much for watching my videos, subscribing, and it seriously means the world to me, and every little comment or view or like has helped me so much, so I can't thank you guys enough, and it's been a wonderful 7 years. So again, I hope this next year is just as fabulous and fun as the last 7 have been. It's so crazy, and I think the icing on the cake for this year so far has been getting my Instagram back. If you haven't already, definitely go check it out because I am so excited. I have this fire underneath me and I'm excited to create content and post and share my outfits with you guys. If there's anything particular you want to see on my channel or on my Instagram, let me know in the comments because I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love chit-chatting with you. Again, like I say in all my videos, you guys are my besties. I say hi besties, and I mean it because I think of you guys as all my friends. I think we're just on like a FaceTime call hanging out. So if there's anything you want to see, let me know. But I do need to get editing because this is the one task that I always end up pushing off, and sometimes that's why I don't upload a ton of videos, and I even have them filmed. Like I currently have one that was supposed to go up last week, but I just didn't get around editing it. So I need to get editing. I'm just gonna glue myself to my desk until we have dinner, so I'll keep you guys updated. But it is time to edit because I have a few videos that need to go up, and this video also needs to go up on time. So it is definitely a while later. I just finished editing a little bit of my vlog that I'm working on, and I also made my comeback video for YouTube. That sounds a bit dramatic, but here is the video I'm posting as my first post back on Instagram. Hi besties, it's been a while. I'm finally back on my account, KellyPrepster. I got the login the other day, which was so exciting. If you guys didn't notice or missed it, my account got disabled. I'll be talking more at the end of this video, but I wanted to do a little recap of the past year since I missed you guys. On June 27th, my account got disabled. It was so sad and frustrating. We went on vacation after with our family. I got my second channel monetized. I made a new Instagram. I stayed in my routine, and it was challenging, but I kept up with my fitness. We got rid of our old couch, got this beautiful new white couch from Costco, went on dates to the hockey games, watched a ton of football. We went to the Bengals game, and it was so much fun. We also got married, which was so crazy. Talk about a huge life event. Went on vacation, celebrated Christmas, which was so much fun, and posted tons of YouTube videos during December. I kept up with my 45 Days of Pink challenge, went on plenty of dates, and really thrived with my small business. And then I was like, let's just try one more time to get my account back. I got this sketchy email from Facebook, and it turns out they were able to undisable my account. It was taken down by mistake, which was the absolutely craziest part, but I think it's just so wild that a year later I get my account back. And of course, if you want to check out any of my content that you might have missed in the last year, it's all on my YouTube channel, KellyPrepster, and I'm just so grateful for every single one of you. Thank you so much for being my besties. Still just doesn't feel real, and I'm just like, every day I wake up and I'm like, check my phone. I'm like, is it still there? And it is. So I know it's gonna be a great year. So as you can see, it's a little dramatic. I tried to make it funny, but I know a lot of people didn't realize that my account got deactivated, and I had a lot of people throughout the last year message me saying like, girl, where is your Instagram? I miss seeing your content, and it warms my heart, and it was so frustrating and so sad losing my Instagram. So I'm so excited to have it back, and I plan on posting every single day. So if you're new and haven't checked it out, definitely go follow her. But that's what I've been working on. Also, I don't know if you guys can see in the sky, but we currently have a tornado watch going on. I think it's the first one of the season. I mean, the sunset is beautiful, but it's like creepy, sunny on one side, dark on the other. And honestly, it's a little frightening. I'm not really sure how to react to that, but we're just gonna keep staying safe. My family's safe and everything, so fingers crossed everything's okay. I'm gonna go take my makeup off, and having leftovers tonight, so it's nothing really exciting, but I think we're gonna eat a lot later. I might take like a bubble bath or something and put my star projector on and just chillax, because I feel like this weekend I've been on the go. We went to the Reds game. I'll insert a clip. It was seriously such an exciting game. Then Quinn 92 performed after, which was so crazy. I don't know if you guys are fans of their music, but I really love the poppy funk motel music. So good. And it's just been a crazy busy weekend. We went to John's little sister's birthday party yesterday. It's just been go, go, go. So I'm excited to relax.